What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome all to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which we'll do a price analysis and a price prediction on Ethereum. Also a little bit like an update because I analyze Ethereum quite a bit. So yeah, I thought it would be interesting. I mean, the market today is down quite a bit, so then I always try to stick with some big cryptos or some big gainers at least to kind of gauge where the market is going, and Ethereum obviously being the second biggest crypto is then, in my opinion, always interesting to look at. It's also my, at this point of time, my biggest holding, I think, but that's just, in my opinion, the low risk part of my portfolio. So yeah, as we saw Bitcoin down to 38,000, I did an analysis on the whole market, or like Bitcoin, but therefore the whole market in my Discord. So if you do want to check that out, it's down in the description. You can join it and just view it. It's together with charts and stuff. But if we look at Ethereum, you can see that we actually managed to fall quite hard. I mean, we reached 3,050 all the way up here. Dropped down quite hard. I thought we would find more support at around 2,800. Found some support, dropped down even more. Some support at 2,700, some support at 2,600 or around that area. And now we have dropped down very low, in my opinion, to this area around 2,500. So from this area, basically two things can happen. And which one is more likely to me right now is quite hard to say. I think it is more likely that we will find enough support off of that 2,500 level, as we are doing right now. I mean, we are finding some support right now. But it is going to be tough because once we get up to 2,600, that's just going to be a break retest. That's going to be resistance. So we will retrace off of there, and we might just see a small consolidation like that between 2,530 and 2,600. So given that scenario, I do think that we have reached the bottom, or the local bottom, at least for now, at least if the market circumstances stay the same. So we'll have some problem with breaking through that 2,600, but I think eventually if we do manage to hold like 2,530, that we will get back up to this full key area right here, and we'll probably find resistance between like 2,700 and 2,740. So that would be my price target, and from there I'll probably update it again, but the most likely scenario is that we will find resistance there, consolidate a little bit, drop down a little bit more even, like at the end of that consolidation. But in the end, I do think that we will go up again given this scenario. But if we do manage to break through that 2,500, I mean, when I did the analysis, price was looking way more bearish than this. So if 2,500 doesn't hold and we close below that, then it's almost certain that we'll drop down to 2,350. So that's the upper bound of this full key level right here. With this bearish move, we drop down all the way to 2,300. That might happen, but as of right now, I still think it is more likely that if we do break 2,500, that the upper bound, so the upper level at around 2,360, 2,350 will hold. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Ethereum for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said in the video, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.